on the first unit, in management communication, corporate communication, and administration. Today, we are going to learn management general topics. Before going to start the class, you need to learn, you need to be active listener online. You need to write down your doubts in chat box, wait to be asked in unmute. Revise the content using the learning management system. The subject is, the course is corporate management and communication. To be frank, what is organization? Organization is a group of people who work together towards common goals. The people who are working in the organization, they are called as team leaders. All the team leaders will be working for the common goals, that is for the organization development and the self-development. It is a social entity that is goal-directed and deliberately structured. And all the employees or the team members who are working in the organization, they will be having the common goals and deliberately structured goals which express the distinct purpose of a particular organization. Goals will be listed out by the organization. Each and every team member will have the responsibility, at the same time accountability, to fulfill the goal, to reach towards the goal. People who make decisions or engage in work activities to reach the organization goals, they will be having a deliberate structure. In every organization, they'll have their own self-defined structure. Based upon the self-defined structure, either it is a formal or informal structure, whether there will be different organization structures, and each and every employee will have so what we call self-defined organization goals. Earlier, management has been practiced for thousands of years ago. Around 1800 years ago, there was an industrial revolution which brought about the birth of the corporation. It is usually significant due to the both organization aspect of how things were done, and management has become a necessary component of the enterprise. See, 1800 years ago, there was an organization, and the organization took the birth, and there was an industrial revolution. With the industrial revolution, there is a dramatical change in the functioning of organization. Organized projects were directed by people responsible for planning. In organization, they'll have their planning, they'll have organizing, they'll have leading and controlling. What do you mean by planning? To to reach to the objectives or the goals, the organization team members, they need to plan themselves. They'll have the planning, they'll have organizing, getting things all together, making arrangement for all the necessary things, and executing it. And they'll be having controlling. What do you mean by controlling? Whether the organization goals are fulfilled, whether there is any deficiency, or there is any what we call lacuna in reaching to the organization goals. Goals can be a targets. If the targets couldn't be achieved, then what is a remedy for this? What can be done in next years to reach to the organization goals? Let us discuss the meaning of organization. Sorry, management. Management is a process of achieving goals and objectives effectively and efficiently through with the people. Management is a process of how well the team members in the organization will effectively and efficiently will reach to the organization goals. Effectively means within the time allotted. Effectively means how best they can reach the organization goals. Management is a process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals work together. See, In an organization, in the management, all the employees will work together. They'll have the groups and they work together for the common purpose and they work effectively and efficiently so that on time organization goals are reached and how well they reach the organization goals. Definitions. Let us look at the definitions of management. Management is the art of group getting things through done with formally organized groups. As I pointed out earlier, management is the how well the work is carried out, how well it is defined, how well it is structured, how well we reach to the people. Levels of management. We have triangular shape of management structure where we have top level management, middle level management, front first line or low level managers. Top level managers make decisions about the direction of an organization. Then middle level managers they'll execute the decisions. Then low level management responsible for reaching to the organization goals. We call low level managers as managerial employees. Team leaders manage activities of a firm team. Who is a manager? First, who is a manager? A manager is a person who can manage the things very well. A manager is a person who can reach to the organization goals effectively, efficiently. Effectively, efficiently. An individual who is in charge of certain group of tasks or certain aspect of a company is known as a manager. Let us think. We can give enormous examples of manager: financial manager, human resource manager, marketing manager, like this, general manager, branch manager, etc. What are the skills that the manager should possess? He or she should have a technical skills. Technical skills in the sense that how to use the technology. Technical skills in the sense that how to use the technology. Conceptual skill. The manager should have different concepts, how well he or she will be equipped with concepts. Concepts in the sense that, for example, planning, he should have to plan, he should use certain concepts, conceptual skills. Interpersonal skills. What do you mean by interpersonal skills? How well the manager will gel with the people. How well he will be the one among the team members. How well the manager will gel with the people, how well he will perform in the team. Communication skills. He or she should have a very good communication skills. Decision making skills. He or she should take right decisions at right time. What do you mean by right decisions at right time? If the proper decisions is not taken at right time, then organization will lose its opportunity. For example, this is the right time a manager should plan for introducing a new product into the market. Why? Because the existing product of the company is not doing well in the market. Therefore, the manager should think of introducing a new product into the market. He should take a decision at right time so that organization will sustain in the market. Organization will be able to compete with the competitors in the market, and organization will be able to attract customers. Analytical skills. What do you mean by analytical skills? How well the manager will analyze the situation. How well the manager will analyze the situation. That is called analytical skills. What are the skills required for a manager? A manager must have very good technical skills, conceptual skills, interpersonal skills, communication skills, decision making skills, analytical skills. Why the manager must have good communication skills? Because he should explain the situation, he should reach to the what we call different subordinates, he should get the work done from others, through others. For that, he should have, or she should have a very good communication skills, so that the message can be conveyed very easily. Nature of management is universal. Management principles are applicable everywhere. Management is goal oriented, towards the goal. Management is a social process. It is concerned with interpersonal relationship. It is done by people, through people, for the people. Management is continuous. Continuously company will perform. Management is dynamic. It's flexible. Management is multidimensional. Means management includes statistics. Management includes engineering. Management includes economics. Management includes psychology. Management includes sociology. Multidimensional. It is a multi-dimensional and multidisciplinary. Management is intangible. We cannot see the management in a in a normal sense, but we can feel that the management activities are going on in the organization. Let us summarize nature of management. Management is universal. Management is goal oriented. Management is a social process. Management is continuous. Management is a dynamic function. Management is multidimensional. Management is an intangible force. Importance of management. Why we need to learn management? It helps in achieving group goals. Without management, company cannot reach to the group goals. Optimum utilization of resources. Company can utilize the resources, men, materials, machines, resources very well. Men, materials, machines. Reduce costs. It can reduce costs, so that good competitive quality product can be offered to the customer at less price. Essential for prosperity of society. Efficient management leads to better economical production, which helps in turn to increase the welfare of people. These are the things that we learned today. Thank you. We'll end the meeting.